through the finishing line. Now, that is, from my perspective, the short term. We need to get this done in the next fiscal year and then get into the permanence of it. But ultimately, it's about road to market, because people question, and rightly so, with a healthy dosage of skepticism, that why would this be the last program with the IMF? We are ultimately talking about the 24th IMF program that we are getting into. The only way we'll ensure that this is the last program is if we have a clear view and roadmap in terms of road to market. The first one is export-led growth, and the second one is foreign direct investment. And that's where, ladies and gentlemen, all of you come in. All of you come in, because you are going to make it happen, inshallah, for Pakistan. And the last thing is, of course,